Learn from nature. Nature itself contains various kinds of elements, ranging from living things and inanimate objects. For those of you who are in the phase of looking for motivation to get up, this is a hint for you, because nature has taught us a philosophy that keeps us motivated and uplifted. Rotten wood still benefits its surroundings. There is no reason not to be of use to those around you. Even rotting and dead wood can provide benefits and life to fungi. Roots are known for their protective and beneficial properties for trees. Continue to benefit those around you, even if you don't see your face and name. Remember the philosophy of the roots that nourish the trees and leaves until they bear fruit. Learn from the bees that forage without destroying the place. If we are still destroying nature to get money, try to think for a moment to think about how the bees get food without destroying the flowers. In a bad shell there is a pearl embedded. Sometimes the appearance we see does not reflect the heart and personality. It could be that a sloppy appearance like a thug actually has a soft heart. Appearance may be punk but heart is still pink. Learn from the ants. Even if they are small, they are unyielding creatures. Look at the ants around you. Put your finger in front of the ants looking for food. Even if you block the ants' path, they will not return to their home. Instead, they are looking for other ways to get through these obstacles. Beautiful butterflies are born from disgusting caterpillars. It doesn't matter if you haven't metamorphosed into a butterfly. There will be a time when your efforts will be appreciated, and let's enjoy the process of becoming a caterpillar first. Behind the ripples of water there is a bottom that does not submerge. We will always be tested with many trials, but remember, all of them do not exceed your limits. God's infinite justice. Stones will break when they hit rocks, but they will become stronger when they are put together. The foundation of the house comes from a collection of stones that are put together, like the arrogant stance of humans who like to argue with each other. In the household, for example, then they will be destroyed, but if the strong stance is united, it will become a great power. Worms don't have legs and arms, but they can find food. Humans are basically created in a perfect form, gifted with reason to think and energy to try. If you are still complaining, we should learn from the worms. The lion is feared because he is quiet and a deadly predator. Dogs are hated because they bark. Some terrible predators usually have a quiet nature. Try to practice it if you have ideas in life. Don't bark first. The durian has thorns on the outside, but it is sweet and delicious inside. Like the trials given by God to us, at first it hurts and feels sharp, but inside there is a sweet and delicious taste after we successfully face the trials given by God. Strawberry tastes sour, but because of its charming shape people like it. Like life, sometimes it is very sour, and with gratitude we can enjoy this life. Be grateful for today. The mangosteen has an ugly appearance on the outside, but is pure white on the inside. Don't just look at people from a purely physical point of view, look at someone also from his heart. These words are easy to say, but very difficult to do, so give it a try. Nature Boy tries to have a deep conversation with nature. Hopefully it will make you motivated in living life. Stay strong and keep rising. After all, nature is a reflection of our lives. God does not create anything useless. It will definitely provide benefits and lessons for us. Stay motivated and grounded.